Hey everybody, David Lund with Excalibur Rings. Today's ring making video, we're gonna be making a Al Capone inspired ring. If you don't know who Al Capone is, he's actually a very notorious gangster from the 1920s. He was very big during the liquor prohibition period. He's originally from Brooklyn, New York. He was notorious as an organized crime boss. We actually have dirt that was supplied from memorabilia.com. They provided the dirt directly from Al Capone's grave, which we're gonna be putting in today's ring. And then just to kind of lighten things up a little bit, I decided to add some red crushed jasper to the ring. So without further ado, let's get started on this video. I'll take you through the entire process. No narrations, just enjoy the show.